what we gonna do today, Lionel? Lionel, I said, what we gonna do today? Did you say something? Is we gonna do today, Lionel?
I don't know. Oh, actually, let's watch Andrew play with his Nerf guns. Yeah, and show us all his Nerf guns. Okay, so let's let Liney and Mr. Dinosaur enjoy their day and watch me play with my Nerf guns. So let's go. One's my Nerf Mega Mastodon. Watch me play with this one. Okay, ready? Now I've got my Nerf Zombie Strike Sling Fire. So like it shows that Zombie Strike Sling Fire Nerf, and it has a 10 bullet magazine, and has this hatch to open right here. Pretty cool. And what you do to use it, so you put the magazine, you fill this up with 10 bullets in the magazine, then you put it into here, but this part needs to be up. Okay, put it in here. Then you push it down, then it can shoot. And then it's in. Then what you do to shoot again, you just do this, and then shoot. Okay, then if you want to take the magazine out to refill, you just gotta fill it back up, and then pull back this orange thing, and it should fall right out. My 10 bullets, now it's time to put it in this magazine. Let's fire this thing up. Next one is this Nerf revolver. Nerf dart tag. You just put the ammo simply in like this, and like like that. And then just like stuff them in. And you don't really have, there's like no cock. You just plain shoot. So let's go. As you just saw, I literally forgot that you do have to cock it, and that way it's kind of like hard to spot where you cock it. Cause like look at this, but you cock it from here. Now let's go. Now this one is the Nerf zombie, is the Nerf zombie strike sword. Can't really shoot this one at all, so there. Next one's probably my favorite. It's the Nerf Mega Thunderbolt. This thing. Okay, so just shoot it like this and put the ammo in like this. If you like the video, I hope, and I also really want the Falcon Fire, AccuStrike Falcon Fire. So if I get that, I'll show you guys. And why I want it is because I saw it at a friend's house yesterday, and it had like a, it just had a really cool thing to aim, like scope. Not really scope, but hope you like the video, and please subscribe. If we get 10 likes, I'll smash an egg on my head. Oh, please get 10 likes though. I don't really want to smash an egg on my head, but I would if you guys give me 10 likes. So please, please, please give me 10 likes. Well, the video's over, so bye.